Come test drive the 2019 Lincoln Nautilus. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find Bluetooth, cross traffic alert, trip computer, tinted glass, power tilting steering wheel, compass. The Lincoln Nautilus crossover provides you with all the functionality you need in a vehicle. Plenty of space, lots of safety and technology options, and a high-end interior feel makes this the perfect vehicle. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.